Hi friends, good day to all. I'm Nejunas from Baby Teen. So guess what? We are going to start doing video series. You know why we start doing video series? Because every day we used to get lots of messages in our DM, in our WhatsApp asking for product details, product pictures and etc. So we already have like 600 plus products in our Insta page, and it is not always practical to share each and every product's descriptions and pictures individually. So it is always better to start doing videos, and we have been thinking this for a while, very long while I would say, and today we have decided to start doing. So on daily basis you can expect more videos about all our products. And you know what, I am also a mom of two. I have a daughter and a son. So you know what is the story behind Baby Teen. I have been always wondering to make my daughter wear some fancy dress like fairy dress, or I would like to dress her up like princess. And she's also very fond of cartoon characters like Elsa, Cinderella. So she also wanted, every time she wanted to wear like them. So I had nowhere to go. I never had a solution for this. And in my college time and in my early times, I used to have passion. I have passion about designing things and making new products out of fabrics. So I love this fabric industry, and I love this designing works. So I started doing for my babies first. I started dressing up my daughter like the way I wish, like the colors I used to see her wearing. So I thought like I know many mommies will be having this same difficulty in finding a perfect costume for your babies for a particular occasion or for her special days. So now it's not me alone in Baby Teen. I've got a very strong team of designers, tailors and masters with me. So don't worry, your costume needs is not now going to be a problem for you, because we are going to make it true for you. And now we have almost published almost like 600 plus patterns in our Instagram pages, and we have done a lot of customization. So all our orders, all our products are not ready stock, but we are making our products as per the orders. So we are making the products as per your size needs and your color needs. So don't worry about the size or the color, because we are making all the products according to your requirements and your needs. And if you want to make some products which is apart from our published patterns, you can just send us a reference pic, or you can just explain what all needs you have for your costume requirement. We'll be helping you with making them ready and making them wear for your baby. Since we are not stocking any products, our products are not ready to ship. So if you want any of our products to deliver to your doorstep, you can choose a product as early as possible, and you can place the order for that. So size and color is not an issue for us, because for every order we are making new products. We are not stocking any of the products over here. And one more thing, I have chosen outdoor to take the videos. You know why? Because of natural light. I need to get maximum natural light so that I can display the same color as shown in the frock. So there will not be any confusion for colors once you get the product. Now Baby Teen has got thousands of customers worldwide, and you don't know like how much it is for me, because your reviews, your corrections, your suggestions have made me run throughout this big journey. So I am so grateful, and keep suggesting me like what changes you need in Baby Teen, and also let me know your reviews about my products. And if you have some suggestions or corrections in the video also, you can just comment me in my inbox. I'll be definitely going through all your comments, and all your comments will be going to be replied by me in coming videos. So I would like to see this video not as just a product information video, but rather than that I would like to have interaction with my fellow mummies, because I am not flawless. I cannot demand that I am flawless. I am a common mummy like you. So as you always do, keep supporting me, keep sending me the reviews of my products, and keep suggesting me what more to be done to make Baby Teen as successful, because we have got a very long journey to go ahead. So be with me, because I am your friend, and I am going to make all your costume dreams come true. Trust me, we will be working together with this so that we can make this happen. So still, if you have some dreams, or if you have some patterns in your mind which you want to try on your daughter, just DM us or WhatsApp us. We will be there for helping with your size, your colors and other kind of customization. Or else if you want to purchase any of the products which are already displayed in our page, just visit our website www.babyteenfashion.com, So you can purchase it directly from that, and depending upon the date, your particular date, you can choose the delivery also. We have different delivery options. Depending upon your date, you just choose your delivery option. So according to that, we'll be making your baby's product and we'll be getting it delivered to your doorstep. So thank you for watching. I'll be coming with next video very soon. Keep supporting me. Bye bye.